if you have been hearing the hypes about cryptocurrency and you've been wondering how people really make money with cryptocurrency, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you different ways you can make money with cryptocurrency even with zero capital. So you have to stay to the end of this video, because if you skip any part of this video, then you miss important part of this video where you can actually learn how to make money with cryptocurrency. Then this video, I'm going to split it into 4 parts in which you can make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1 is airdrop, number 2 is holding, number 3 is staking, and number 4 is trading. So kindly stay to the end of this video because you're going to learn much more in this video. Now let's dive into the video. I'm starting with number 1, which is airdrop. You can actually make money with airdrop with zero capital because there are a lot of airdrop out there that you can actually make money with. Examples of this airdrop is you know about Pi Network. You've heard about Pi Network. Pi Network is one of the examples of airdrop which you can make money. If you can remember, or you are online and you heard about Pi Network, everybody engaged in Pi Network, and Pi Network paid a lot of people thousands of naira. Okay, a lot of people become billionaire through Pi Network. So this is the kind of airdrop I'm talking about. I'm not talking about Telegram airdrop where a lot of scammers has taken over. So if you want to get airdrop that is like Pi Network, then check the description in my video. We talk about examples of this kind of airdrop. We have a B Network, we have Alpha Network, we have Ruby Network. These are the examples of real airdrops we are talking about, and the description and the links to these airdrops are in my description, so kindly check one and join. Okay, this kind of airdrop can make you money, okay, but it's not as quick as you think. Okay, so people who mine Pi Network know how many years they've mined Pi Network. So if you want to kickstart your crypto journey and making money with cryptocurrency and you don't have a capital, then you have to start with airdrop. That's the first way you need to start or to make money as someone who has zero capital in cryptocurrency. So now number 2 is staking. Staking is you have small capital, you have small money, and you've been wondering how to increase that money. Okay, staking, it means you taking that your money and putting it in a blockchain to stake it to keep it, or something like locking it and gain some interest. So that is how you get money through staking. Okay, this way you can actually increase that your capital and makes money from it. Now the third one is called holding. Example of this one is you buying a crypto coin or crypto wallets, something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you buy them and keep them for a long time. And then for example, you bought Solana, those people who bought Solana, okay, like you buy it low and then you sell high. Okay, so that is how you make money through cryptocurrency. As a beginner, I will advise you to start with airdrop. Okay, when you start with airdrop and you make money, you can start by number 1, staking it, because you have no experience in cryptocurrency. The first and safest way for you is for you to stake it, and then or you buy low and sell high. That is spot trading. Okay, I'll come to that. That is our number 4, right? So I'll come to that. Now when you buy low and you keep it for a long time, when that coin you bought increases or rises, that is how you make money in cryptocurrency holding. Okay, now number 4, which is trading. You look for a blockchain, maybe for example there are a lot of different blockchain in which you can trade crypto. Their example is Bybit. You can, if you don't have a Bybit account, check the link in the description, sign up and start trading with Bybit. There are different trading. They have future trading, spot trading. So you can start with what? Spot trading, because spot trading is the easiest and safest way and low risk for you to trade with. That is when you buy a certain crypto coin at a low price and then you keep it for a long time and then you sell it high. Then the next one is futures trading. Futures trading requires technical analysis for you to get started trading futures. Okay, now what you need to do is you have capital, right? And then you can acquire knowledge on how to analyze the market for you to start trading futures. You can make quick money trading futures. Futures is just like someone who is trading different pairs in forex trading. Okay, so you can trade or maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum. When you analyze the market and you see a buy opportunity, you can buy and then sell. Okay, that is how you make money through trading cryptocurrency. Okay, now I can advise you also, if you don't have enough capital to start trading crypto, you can as well buy funded account, crypto funded account. Okay, buy them and then pass the challenge and start making money with funded account. So but mind you, if you fail the challenge, that means you are not getting the account. So kindly learn or acquire knowledge on how to start trading, learn technical analysis and learn different strategies that works, that will help you make a lot of money trading crypto. And trading futures is very amazing. If you learn the strategies and learn how to trade futures, you can make good money trading futures. Okay, these are different ways you can make money in cryptocurrency. I said number one is airdrop. Airdrop is very important. Join to start making money with airdrop. A lot of people don't even trade, they don't trade, they don't stake, they don't hold, they only join airdrops, and at the end of the day they keep making money and they are safe. There is no risk. You are not risking your money, you are not risking any capital, it's just your time. Okay, you are risking your time. So it is very safe for you as a beginner to just start with airdrop. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this you get notified. So see you in my next video. Bye.